What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to start your vehicle remotely from your Bluelink app. Let's go. So of course, the first things first, you go into your Hyundai app, log in. It's going to look just like this. Accept whatever terms and conditions, and this is what you're going to look like. Alright, this is what it looks like right here. So now we hit on climate start. You can have different settings if you have auto climate, but I'm going to go ahead and put my pin. After you put your pin, it sends a climate start requested, and then we look at the vehicle. It's going to say successful in a second here. Sometimes it takes 30 seconds, a little bit longer. You're looking at it in real time. That's the vehicle out there, and boom, look. Car auto starts, and I get the notification saying that it's been remote started. Boom, boom. That's how you do it, guys.